Good morning. Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. In our previous EVS class, we have learnt about rotation, revolution, and how days and nights occur, right? And I promised you that in our next class, I'll be telling you how the seasons change. So today, I'll explain to you how the seasons change. But before that, let us revise rotation and revolution in a tabular form to differentiate between them. Okay?
Rotation is the movement of Earth on its own axis, whereas revolution is the movement of Earth around the Sun on its fixed orbit. Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation, whereas it takes 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Rotation of Earth causes day and night, whereas revolution of Earth causes seasons.
Now let's start the main topic to be covered today. How do the seasons change? Children, there are mainly two reasons due to which we have different seasons. First one is the Earth's revolution around Sun, and the second one is the tilted axis of Earth.
Students, did you notice in this diagram why the axis is not made straight upside down? Students, this is made in a slanting manner because our Earth's axis is not straight. Rather, it is a little bit tilted. And due to this tilt, some of the area of Earth gets more heat and light from Sun, and the rest of the area of Earth gets less heat and light from Sun.
Let me explain this to you, my dear students. See this globe. This is the North Pole and here is the South Pole. If we will join them, we will get the axis. And you can see it is not straight, rather it is tilted. And because of this axis, we are having the northern and southern hemisphere also tilted. Now children, suppose this flashlight of my phone is sun and this is our earth. Now you can see because of the tilted axis, northern hemisphere is tilted more towards the sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So the sunlight and sun heat is received by the northern hemisphere more as compared to the southern hemisphere. Now northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, so it is receiving more heat and light, and that's why it is having summer season. Whereas the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, so it is receiving less heat and light, so it is having winters. Now children, see here, this orange colored one is our India, which is in the top half part, means it is in the northern hemisphere. And here this pink colored one is the Australia, which is in the southern hemisphere. So when India has summer season, at the same time Australia is having winters because its hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. Now children, at this point the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. Now when the earth will revolve and it will reach to a point on the other side of its orbit, now you can see the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Now the southern hemisphere is receiving more light and heat from the sun, so it is having summer season, and the northern hemisphere is receiving less heat, so it is having winters now. Students, if the earth would not revolve around the sun and it would stay at only one place, then we would have had only one season throughout our life. But our earth revolves around the sun and its position changes, which gives us different seasons. So my dear students, today we have learned how do the seasons occur. The seasons occur mainly due to two reasons. First one is the Earth's revolution around the sun, and the second one is due to its tilted axis. Whenever the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, we have summers, and when it is tilted away from the sun, we have winters. Children, please watch this video again and again to understand the concept properly, and if you'll have any doubt, please contact your teacher. They are going to help you out. Okay? And on Wednesday, maybe I'm going to give you a small revision assessment based on this topic. So please revise it properly. Take care. Bye-bye.